In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant a collaborator access to customer events and custom pixels in Shopify. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin with a role that can edit user permissions. This process is perfect when you're working with a marketer, analyst, or developer who needs to review event data and manage tracking pixels for campaigns and analytics. From your Shopify admin, head to Settings. You'll find the gear icon typically in the lower left corner. Settings is where you control store-level preferences, permissions, and advanced tools, so it's the right place for what we're about to do. Next, open Users, or depending on your interface, Users and Permissions. Shopify sometimes labels this slightly differently, but both take you to the same area where you manage access. Here you'll see the people and collaborators who can work in your store. Choose the collaborator you want to give access to. A collaborator is someone who has limited access to your store, usually from an agency or external team. Click their name to open their permission details. It's important to select the correct person so you're only granting the right access to the right user. Now scroll down to the section labeled Store Settings. Permissions here affect broader store tools, including analytics and tracking. Take a moment to review the categories so you're confident you're adjusting the right ones. Under Store Settings, check the box for View Customer Events. This allows the collaborator to see event data generated by customer interactions, which is essential for analysis, troubleshooting, and understanding performance. Then check Manage and add Custom Pixels. This enables them to create and configure custom tracking pixels, connect them to your store, and manage how they fire. Together, these permissions empower your collaborator to set up accurate tracking for campaigns, measure conversions, and maintain consistent data flow without giving them more access than they need. If you're unsure, grant only what's necessary, and you can always adjust later. When you're done, click Save. The Save button is usually at the top or bottom of the page. Changes won't apply until you save, so don't skip this step. After saving, the collaborator's access updates immediately, and they can proceed with their tasks. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Users or Users and Permissions, selected the collaborator, scrolled to Store Settings, enabled View Customer Events and Manage and add Custom Pixels, and saved your changes. If you don't see these options, your own role may not have permission to edit them, or the interface may vary slightly. In that case, double-check your access level. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to collaborate safely and efficiently.